I'm Don Roberts bringing you SEC News in 60 seconds. Easter was celebrated across the conference. Highlights included the SEC Children's Ministries Easter program, streamed on its Kids Planet YouTube channel. Children led out in music, prayer, craft activities, and the play He is Alive, with Director of Children and Family Ministries, Pastor Rio Espolgar, giving the sermon. Chiswick Church held a special Easter Sunday service for the homeless. Volunteers performed special musical items, and Elder Tony Davis presented a short Easter message based on John 3:16, which was followed by a hot meal and shower service for guests. In other news, last Sabbath, Folkestone Church held a cultural day, celebrating diversity within the church and community. Attendees wore traditional dress and colours, and praise and worship was conducted in various languages. The guest speaker was Pastor Rio Espolgar. Thanks for watching. See you next week.